Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do this look. I've already primed my eyelids. I already did my brows. So we ready to get this face beat. Let's start with my MAC foundation, my favorite foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm in the shade NC50. And we're going to slide this on the face, brush it in with my Real Techniques blending brush, and move on to the next step. Okay, so now it's time to highlight. Of course, I'm going to go in with my, what is this? My LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Going to get under the eyes, bridge of the nose, chin, cupid's bow, and forehead. Blend it out. Y'all know. Real quick, y'all know I like to let my concealer set for a bit, so I use my little motorized fan to help it air dry a little bit faster. For y'all that know me, y'all know that's my baby girl. That's little Tootie Toot Toot. She was avoiding taking a nap, so I had to just record with her there for the day. Mom life. So now I'm going to take this setting powder by Sasha Buttercup and see how I'm patting it here? I'm actually like dabbing off the excess powder because I don't like a thick layer because I have dry skin. So I just pat off the excess on my hand and then I put it on my face. Now with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to brush away the excess. Seems like the first time in forever, but I'm using a different contour palette. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the medium to dark shade. I still mix the two colors, but actually I think I kind of like this one a little bit better than the Ray Ray. But we're going to see. I'm going to try it out a few more times and see. We're going to see. Clumsy me. I am going over my face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. And this I'm just doing my little nose contour because I forgot. For blush, I'm going in with my NYX Sweet Cheeks matte. What is this? Blush, duh. And this is in the shade Daydream. Love this. For highlight, I am using Global Glow. This is also by MAC. And I kind of cycle through my highlights. I don't really have a favorite because I don't really like to shine too bright like a diamond. I like to, you know, simmer a little. I like to sparkle. Sparkle. I like to sparkle. Now I'm going in with the James Charles palette with this top orange color. I don't have the list of names anymore, but y'all see which one it is, right? Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go in with the color right next to it. It's like a deeper orange, almost a reddish type color. Go right under that in the crease using the same brush. And now for the all the way red shade. And that's going to go in my crease, but mostly on the outer V. And also, I'm using a much smaller like crease brush to get in that area. I'm not using that big blending brush. So this color right here, this is a color that wasn't really working. So let's try this thing wet. I'm like, okay, let's try it wet. It's barely showing up. Then I'm like, okay, let's try dry. Still. I'm like, okay, let's try a finger. Still. So then I went into another palette. I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit of the struggle, but not the whole thing. But I was also having a lot of fallout. Okay, so this is the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going in with this color, and I'm like, ooh, that's much better. So I put this on both lids, and then I'm also gonna go in after this with the Artist Couture little lid highlight thing. This is the shade, what is this? This is Spotlight Glitz I'm gonna be using. So normally, golly, speak English. Normally with this glitz, Spotlight Glitz, I would use my finger. But since I already had a shadow underneath, I didn't want that to move too much. And I have big fingers and small little lids. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get a brush. But what I did was I kind of pushed the product into the brush so I wouldn't have as much fallout. Still had a lot of fallout, but whatever. You know, we do what we can. Whatever. I also tried to get the fallout up with some powder. It didn't help, so don't waste your time. Now I'm putting on some lashes. These are my Sophie Bella lashes. I won. Details will be in the description box because I don't know the name of those. While the glue is drying, I'm going to put on mascara, pop the lashes on, and then boom, eyes is done. Boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Now I'm just lining my lips with any dark brown lip liner you got. Just use that because I don't know what this is. It's like not name brand. It's off brand beauty supply. I found it in the bottom of a drawer, so I'm using that. Now I'm going to put on my lipstick. This is the Maybelline Stormy Sahara lipstick shade color, whatever. And now I'm putting on lip gloss. This is the ColourPop X Shayla and Clean Freak. Now using my Morphe setting spray, I'm going to spray it, let it dry. Now, after I spray, I like to put on my bottom lash mascara. Not before, because if I do it before, then it smudges and smears. And look, I thought I was done. Nope, not done. Almost forgot my inner quarter highlight, bitch. Okay, once I finish with this, then I actually am done. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like this look. Please leave a like. It really helps me out. And leave a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. Subscribe if you want to be my best friend because I'm putting out applications for new best friends. And I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Mwah.